A lot of people fix their credit, then mess it all up again. Not because they're careless, but because they never learned how to manage the money that flows through their life. Credit is a tool, not a safety net. If your spending's out of control or you don't have a system, even a perfect score won't save you. Start with the basics. Track your money, every dollar. Know what's coming in and what's going out. Use a simple app or a spreadsheet. Doesn't matter. Just stay aware. Then build a cushion. Even $500 in savings changes everything. It keeps you from relying on credit cards when life hits. And if you have debt, don't just throw money at it. Strategize. Highest interest first, or smallest balance first. Whatever keeps you moving. When you learn to manage your money with intention, credit repair becomes permanent. It's not just about fixing your past, it's about protecting your future. Need help getting started on both sides of the game? Check out CreditFixGuy.com.